Okay, so after making the connection with MySQL from Python, now we are going to create a database in MySQL by this Python instance. So by Jupyter Notebook, what you have to do is you have to use connector name, which is something you have already imported in the past discussion. This was the function by using import function MySQL connector as connect. So connect one we are using, and by using connect1.connect we are connecting to MySQL using our localhost and root password. So this is the instance which we have got for the connection. And now by using this connection, what we have to do, we have to set up a cursor. Now what is cursor? So cursor is nothing but a temporary storage where whatever the command you are running, the output of that will be stored. So you can access MySQL with the help of cursor. So you have to declare a cursor of this connection. So this is the connection and we are declaring a cursor over it. So we have got my cursor. Now on my cursor, whatever you want to execute, any command on MySQL that you want to execute, you have to use it you have to use it over cursor. So with my cursor dot execute, so with my cursor dot execute, you can run any SQL command from Python. So my cursor dot execute, and now you want to create a database. So you want to create a database. Let's name it first. Okay, first is the name of database that you are going to create in MySQL. So let's run it, and it is done. Now how we are going to check it, whether the database has been created or not created. To check it, what you have to do is you have to again use a function called show database. So to call show database, either you can use it here only, so my cursor, and then you can copy paste here and write another function is show databases. Show databases is a function which show all the databases present in the present in MySQL. So when that is a problem. Why? What is the problem? Because we have already created this, and now we are trying to, I mean, when I am running this cell again, so it will try to create it again. So it is already this first database is already existing, and you are trying to execute it again. So of course it is going to give you error that it is going to it is already existing, right? So here it is giving you error that the database is already present, right? So that's the error. Now to overcome this problem, what you have to do, you have to run it separately rather than run it as an entity. So just I need to pick up this this particular function, and then just need to run it separately. Okay, now you can see by show databases it has completed or it has run, but again the problem is it is not being shown. Why it is not being shown? Why it is not being shown? Because whatever be the function that you are running or whatever be the command you are running, the output of that command is going to be stored in the cursor. So in cursor you have the output of this command, right? So if you want to check it, so how you can check it, you have to run a loop. So for I in my cursor, and then print I. So you can see all the databases which are created in MySQL are in front of you, and we have created our database which was named as first. So first is also present here. Now how to use cursor, and we will try to use it more and utilize more in next discussion, so that you can get comfort on using of cursor. All right, thank you.